back there?
Cam about to die. No. Oh shit! We're gonna die. Yo, what the fuck? Yo.
Blood clot for feet.
Yo, you're crazy. Don't do it again. Oh shit. Yo, what did you just run over? I got that shit on camera. I got that on camera. Yo, I got that on camera. Put it away. Yo, what the?
Car destroyed.
Holy shit.
What's going on, guys? This is Sunday. And it's full of fuckery.
Yeah, facts.
That shit was awesome. You wanna go again? Yeah. Same angle this time. You gotta get it from this angle right here.
Alright guys, so basically what's going on here today, I want to introduce you guys to Claud's new specialized, really cheap drift car that we beat the shit out of. Here it is, guys. E36, 4-door, 5-speed. What year is it?
97?
It's a 97. It's fun. It's got 211K on it and runs as smooth as butter. And it's awesome. It didn't look like this when we got it. Claude broke it. But is there air in the tire now? Yeah. Alright, word. So far, since he got it with it wasn't starting. Had to do some stuff to get it to start. Nothing crazy though, cheap fix. And then okay. Can't open the door. How do you do this? Okay, I don't know how to open the door. Alright, that's a dub. But partially gutted the interior. Put in some Subaru bucket seats in the front that aren't completely bolted down, but they get the job done. And this is it so far. Other than that, Claud's just been beating the crap out of it and be having a good time.
It's a blue movie.
Not bad for $300, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yo, he's lying, yo. It doesn't shoot flames. Claude, it does not shoot flames.
It's not shooting flames.
Fun fact, guys, you want to get Claude excited about something? Tell him his car shoots flames and he will believe you every time. So now we're...
That pole, yo, I got mad sideways on that pole.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I thought you was about to smack that right there.
What up?
That rock.
Got a car.
So guys, we're walking back to the crash scene where we caught air and almost died.
No.
We're looking to see.
Look at the line.
Yeah, you got pretty close there.
Going straight. See, this is the shit.
So yeah, here's a piece of the bumper. This is what we drove over, guys. This big ass rock.
You might as well just
the rest of this. Drove over this and the rock.
Nigga, that
caught air, landed,
this like it's a wrap.
Almost died.
Niggas would definitely have to explain that.
This one's strong as hell. Mad steel.
Yeah, sure.
Did they really park 2 trucks in there?
Yeah.
Pushing it.
You might as well just went through this whole thing.
He did. I did. That's why.
Look, see, it's flat. It was.
They're
gonna be like,
in here.
They're gonna be like.
Damn.
Tire tracks.
Hopefully.
Fix that.
Just stand it up. Hopefully our landlord does not call Khalid.
These videos.
Hopefully our landlord's not a subscriber, because that would suck. Round 2, we doing this again?
I guess.
Can I do a burnout? I've never done a burnout before. Can I do a burnout? Bro, come on. Here we go, guys. Round 2, we're gonna... Yo, we can't see nothing, bro. You're definitely into a wall right now.
Yo, what's going on with this thing? I think I got a flat again. Oh, there's a rock I went over.
That's yeah. Yo, that's crazy. Niggas really drove over a big ass rock.
Flat.
Got a flat again?
Yeah. That means how you're doing. Same side?
What'd you say, bro?
2 Sundays in a row.
Yeah, man. So our Sundays be pretty lit, man.
Yeah, Monday through Friday we're pretty lame, but come over on Sunday. It's a movie.
Come visit us on Sunday.
All the adventures you have on Sundays.
Huh?
So you always miss the adventures you have on Sundays.
I was here this Sunday and last Sunday. What's the problem?
Where the video at though?
In our hearts, in our souls.
In our memory.
Put that hose back.
That's as far as the hose gonna get.
So you rinsed off the beam. Looking pretty sexy. That shit weak. Yo, this man is pissing. Yo, you really are pissing in front of our door. Yo, you're sick, yo. Sorry, bud, no flames today.
Were you smoking?
Yeah. Sorry, bud. All right, to the other shop. All right, guys. So, it's a short little quick video introducing to you our little Claud's new and fun drift car. Only picked up for $300. It's definitely a fun time. We almost died today, but we didn't, so that's good. Stay tuned for more. We got some more interesting things. Stay tuned to see what he does to the BMW. It's going to be a completely budget drift build. All right, so thank you all for watching. Continue to like, continue to comment. Drop a comment if you like the car, what you want to see done to it, if you have any questions, so on and so forth. And be sure to stay tuned because we got more coming. All right, peace out.